We out here, we about to ride to Daytona. We got the bikes lined up, and currently in Georgia right now. So we got about 3 hours till we hit Daytona. So y'all, I'm super excited. I can't wait to see y'all, and I hope y'all enjoyed the footage that I take throughout the trip. So I'll see y'all. Hey y'all, your girl Shay is back, and yes, we are on the way to Daytona. This is the second year I went to Daytona, and I want to say this year was lit, y'all. So I cannot wait for y'all to see it. Please stay tuned. We are on the way. Y'all already know I'm with my road dog, DJ, and there go my bro back there, Willie B. We decided to wear a full face helmet so we can communicate through the Cena, and when I tell y'all that right there is life changing. We literally talk to each other our every move. If we're gonna change lanes, it just makes it so much easier. So we decided to go ahead and take a pit stop to see our sis. Her name is Sporadic. She opened up her own shop dealing with cars, motorcycles. So if y'all ever need services done on your vehicles or your motorcycles, whatever the case, she definitely got you out there in Jacksonville, Florida. Out here, all roads lead to motherland. RTG Motorsports, y'all go check them out. If y'all ever passing through Jacksonville, need services on your vehicle, motorcycles, whatever you have, they got you. We out here, we pulled up to our sis shop.
You can follow us on IG. It's RTG Motorsports 904.
Y'all heard it from her. Go ahead and please follow my sis on Instagram and show her some love. So we are getting ready to head out and meet everyone else at Atomic Harley Davidson, and we're going to go ahead and get this weekend started. Alright, so we're on our way. We're all mounted up. We're all geared up. And we're on our way to the Airbnb. So let's do it. So if y'all love women that ride, definitely follow Tiffany Renee on YouTube. She's definitely doing the thing for us women out there. So here we are pulling up to the Airbnb, and now we're about to roll into the night. Y'all see me right here. I don't even know what I'm talking about, y'all. The video was muted, but we're getting ready. We got fueled up. Putting on my black lipstick, and yes, we did take off our helmets, which we're probably maybe 5 miles away from Bethune Cookman University, And there I go, trying to give y'all a quick little fit check. Cute. So since we're talking about it, yes, Florida does have a no helmet law. Any person over the age of 21 can operate a motorcycle without a helmet. No, we do not do this the whole time. We usually stop about 5 miles before we get to our destination to take off our helmet. But trust and believe, anytime outside of that, your girl is definitely wearing her helmet. We just pulled up to Bethune Cookman. This is the strip. They have a whole bunch of vendors out there. They have a whole bunch of food. Y'all, I ended up getting some fried crab legs one night. Oh, that thing was hitting. But there's a lot of bikes out here. However, this is the first night. This is Thursday night. On a Saturday night, though, it's way more packed. So y'all will definitely see that in the next video. Seeing all those bikes with that 30-inch wheel, 30-inch plus wheels, kind of makes your girl want something like that. But we're going to take baby steps. We're going to start off with the 21-inch wheel and gradually make our way up. So like I said, this is only the beginning of the weekend. When y'all see Saturday night, it's going to be way more packed. But this is pretty much the conclusion of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next week for the next video. Let's ride. Shay on Twos is sponsored by Black Hawk Nation. They have everything from accessories, headgears, jackets, hoodies, and tees. Any color combination you think of, Black Hawk Nation have you covered. Be sure to follow the Facebook and Instagram account for the latest updates. All links are listed below, and if you want to order, make sure you order through my link. Come on and join this movement, Black Hawk Nation, baby. Let's ride.